we are leaders in organizing B2B exhibitions. We conduct world's leading B2B exhibition in Hong Kong, and we have a vision to have a similar kind of exhibition in India. The vision is to have four quality exhibitions in four corners of the country and giving quality products at their region. This exhibition this year, it has increased by 30% from last year in terms of exhibitors and also visitors. As I mentioned in my speech, we have got quality products from across the country and also products from Hyderabad. Okay? So we have got quality products from the Hyderabad city also. It's very important that when we are doing these exhibitions, we give preference to people who are from the city, and the products get promotion across the country, and also all our international exhibitions which happen in Hong Kong, Istanbul, Japan, China, and also four places in India. This exhibition is going to be happening from 22nd to 25th of June from 10 to 7, where we are having other than a lot of interesting products which we are bringing from all across the country like Jaipur, Junagadh, Delhi, Kolkata, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Surat, Tamil Nadu. Also going to attract a lot of buyers from across the country, and the buyers which are specifically for Indian jewelry from Middle East, Malaysia, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Pakistan. So we are looking at a very quality gathering, and this fair will only improve in terms of its products, and we are looking that this should be a quality exhibition in the Indian industry, jewelry industry, for the southern India. The city itself, we have got people coming from Junagadh like CVM Exports. We have got companies from Mumbai like Mukti Gold, KK Jewelers. We have got companies from Jaipur with Kundan and Meena collections. We have got people from Tamil Nadu who is going to bringing temple jewelry and antique collections. We have people coming from Coimbatore like Emerald. We are also having Chris, which has got lightweight jewelry. We have got people coming from Thrissur, which is also a lightweight jewelry. Today the gold prices are going up, so people are looking out for more gold in less price. So we are trying to give variety to our buyers who are looking for diamond-studded jewelry, precious stone-studded jewelry, gold jewelry, silver jewelry, CZ jewelry, and also we are trying our best to get the manufacturing support for the manufacturers in terms of quality machinery coming up. As I said in my speech also, we have more than 30% people more. The pre-registered number I am talking about. Last year we had 3,500 people visiting. This year we are looking at least 5,000 people coming in and visiting this exhibition over the 3 days, which is from 22nd to 25th of June in High Tech City. As I said, after this we will be conducting an exhibition in Delhi, catering to the entire need of North India, and then we have got in Mumbai and in Chennai, but we definitely have plans to go to other parts of the country also.